Hello, happy afternoon. It is Thursday and I decided I'm going to open my Ipsy box. I got it last week, opened it, looked at it, just glanced. Eric's screaming because Jason's home for a doctor's appointment today and he's outside messing with his system. I don't know anymore. So it's shaking all the windows, irritating Eric. Well, he's outside and not having to listen to it, so yeah. All right, this month, this was $32 or $33. Spring into self-care. It's got a little thing at the top. Okay, the first thing is Hot Topic Natasha Denona palette. This right here pays for the box, if I'm not mistaken, when you go on Sephora. This is like 40 or 50 bucks. I love the cool tone gray, neutrals in this. I really do like that. Let me know if you want to see a video using it. I'll keep it in the plastic. Okay, Dew of the Gods, Villa Nitro, Caffeine, and Retinol Under Eye Pads. Tightens under eyes, erases dark circles, 10-15 minute sessions. Dew of the Gods. I'm not sure how much this is, but there's 10 little packs in here. And they're all individually wrapped. All right. The next thing is Smooth Calm Me Down Antioxidant Cleanser. Listen to your skin's mood. It's in a squeezy tube. And it is sealed, so that's good. Never heard of this brand. Be kind to your skin, yourself, and love your skin you're in. It says Scintilla. Oh, it tells you what each one. Look at that. I like that. It tells you the ingredient and what it does. I like all these ingredients. Centella Aesthetica Extract, Allicin, Avena, Sativa, Oat Extract, Panthenol, Paper Mulberry Extract, Licorice Root, Green Tea Water. Not green water, that's algae. Beta Salatate, BHA. Yuza, Blueberry, Raspberry, acai berry, pomegranate, kiwi extracts for all skin types. All right, another thing in here is Radial Papaya Enzyme Scrub, Brighten and Renew, Vitamin C. Like I said, I love vitamin C. As you can see, I'm not wearing makeup right now, so you can see all the dark little spots on my skin, and red because I was just messing with my plants. Oh, I like this lid. It's clear. It's just a little squeezy tube. Scrub. I probably should put my glasses on. Enzyme peeling. This is, I don't know where the English directions are. Brighten, refresh, and reveal skin with multitasking high performance scrub infused with invigorating blend of glow boosting vitamin C and result driven actives that help gently exfoliate while leaving the complexion looking visibly revitalized and conditioned. Hyaluronic acid, love it. Papaya enzymes, never had that. Perlite and jojoba beads work gently to buff away dead skin cells. Okay. Apply onto damp, cleansed skin for a few minutes before massaging in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly 2 to 3 times a week. All right, and the last thing, I saw this and I was like, I've never heard of Farah. I probably have. I probably had something from them. But when I pulled this highlighter out, I think that's what this is. Yeah, highlighter. It's got a cute little case, but look at this. I had to touch it that day. I was like, no, I don't want to touch it. Yes, I do. Look at that. It's really white, right? But that's just because it's a swatch. When you rub it out like you would have it on your skin. I don't have makeup on right now, so it's different. But you would rub it out like you would have it on your skin, and it's very, very beautiful. I really do like this. And I'm not gonna put it back in the box because I already touched it. And I might assume I never touched it, so. But that was everything I got. I am working on a lot of different things, trying to get stuff together and figure stuff out. Eric's got a doctor's appointment. If you have followed me on Facebook, Erica, E-R-I-C-A, Lanier. No, Lolly Lanier. You can follow me there. You see more of my personal life, more of my like days, like the other day where Eric had been screaming all day and I was just so tired. We think we have narrowed down when I go to the doctor tomorrow with him. I think it's his hyperactivity. I think he's getting overwhelmed and his hyperactivity medicine isn't balancing out like it needs to be raised. Hopefully that's the simple answer, but we'll find out tomorrow. The other answer is also Jason out there running the radio and just something out of the ordinary that just destroys his lack of being able to sit still. Another thing I wanted to talk about is I've been using the First 5 app. I think I've talked about it before. You just go on your phone, you put First 5 in the app store. It's free and it's a daily, every morning, first 5 minutes it takes. You read scriptures or a chapter. It goes different books of the Bible. And you can pick the plan you want to use. Like, they got a whole thing, but it'll always bring you up to the current one. I believe, but that's what I've been using every morning, and it's really nice to start. And on the weekend it has a verbal one where 2 people are talking and you just go along with them. So let me know what else y'all want to see. I have been doing the garden and everything else. I will try to get like a little video in of that, even if it's just a little reel type thing. But love y'all, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one.